Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. This is a very odd video, but who knows, someone might want to watch this video just before buying it, I guess, because it is quite an expensive item. But yeah, these are Calvin Klein cotton stretch boxes. You get 3 in a packet and they cost £40. Very expensive. You're paying pretty much for the brand. The quality is there though. The quality is good, but it's not worth 40 quid. But yeah, you're paying for the brand pretty much. You get 3 packets of them, so that's about £10, £11, £12, 12 times 3, 13. Right, they're about £13 each, working off this scale, I guess. £13 something each, so it's pretty expensive for the what you gain. So this Calvin Klein cotton stretch classic fit. You got a guy with a 6-pack on there. I don't know why. Don't know who that is. He looks a bit like Ronaldo, but he doesn't. But who knows? So yeah, you got the Calvin Klein. They should actually make it custom to whatever the designs are. These obviously are different colors. That's not even inside of it. So don't get why they do that. So 3 low-rise trunks. I guess it's less expensive. Okay, so these were 95% cotton, 5% elastic, pretty much. Made in Vietnam. Sold under division in New York. Okay, so we've got the red color here, which is bloodshot red. Nice. Got green gravy color. Olive. And then you got black one. Okay, so we've got Calvin Klein cotton stretch. Classic fit, added stretch for comfort and shape and retention. Coupe classic, and that's French. 3 lows rise trunk. I've got the small size, I think. Yeah, small size. I'm not sure if I'm a smaller. Probably am, because I think my waist is 30. So that would be perfect fit for me. So these are, if you had got bigger waist, anybody, you can choose these ones. Got the centimeters as well. So 3 low rise trunks, nothing else there. Then at the top, price £38. It's actually £40 in store, but yeah. Let me just take that off. Okay, never mind. Open this. Bloody hell, guys. Okay, so there's some nice packaging. Simple as taking out like that. I don't know how they fold it so nicely. Like, damn. Oh, what's that? I've never noticed that before. So yeah, I've already got some Calvin Klein underwear, but they're just plain black with the white writing. So I'll show you them. No, I can't show you them. But pretty much it's that, but this border's white and the writing's black. So yeah, they were pretty plain. I don't like them. I do like them, but I don't like them compared to these. These are miles better. These are my red ones. They're very nice. A bit creased, so not a problem though. Don't know why they have this weird hole here. It's got like a weird shape there, which is very odd. But yeah, I pretty much like the look how stretchy it is, guys. You can hear the elastic in there. So you got the black Calvin Klein sign, and then you got the red stitching. I like it. So I've used these for about a year. The black one. It's no issue. After a few washes, it just gets a bit odd, I guess. But yeah, it's not a big problem. It does good quality. So yeah, the inside's all black. I don't know why. These are very comfy, by the way, but they do stretch to your skin quite badly. So you will be sweating a bit more in these compared to normal ones. These are like a, it says classic fit, but it's more of a stretch fit. Like, you know how you get stretch jeans? It's like that. So let me check out the next one. Got the olive one. Ooh, damn. Oh, what the fuck is this? Micro pack enhanced PE sheets. Don't know what that is. I don't know where that came from. But yeah, wow, look at this color. I like this green olive color. I'm really liking this green olive color. It looks miles better than this. I like that red color. I like this green olive color. It's miles better than the plain black ones I have normally. So I've got this cool texture here, like normal. Got the Calvin Klein sign. Nothing else there. Let's have a look here. Everything's the same pretty much. Very good design. Then we've got the plain black one. So this is the plain black one with white writing. Oh, got another PE sign thing, whatever the fuck it was. So this is pretty much plain white writing. It's the opposite of the other one I have, which is white with black writing. This one looks miles better, to be honest. But yeah, but who's going to be looking at your underwear? That's what she said. But yeah, let me try and make a good thumbnail now, guys. Guys, there's going to be the thumbnail or something like that. Something like that, I don't know. Let me try. There you go. You got this as well. Let me try and make this look a bit better. There you go. 3 Calvin Klein things there. So that'll be the thumbnail probably. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I've told you this is already comfy and stuff. I'll give you an 8 out of 10 and probably 9 out of 10 actually. But the price, I'll give you 8 out of 10 actually because of the price. Because the price is not worth the quality you're getting. It is good quality, but the price you're paying is for the brand, not the actual product. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.